In this tutorial, you'll learn how to prepare and export a video with custom dimensions using Canva. To get started, explore the For You section in the Create menu and select the custom size to access tailored project templates. Then, select a document template that matches your desired video format. Next, open the Upload section to manage your media files. Click the Upload Files button and choose your video file to add it to your Canva workspace. Once your video appears, select the correct thumbnail to ensure you're working with the right footage. To adjust your video to the custom size, click on Set as Background. Finally, your custom-sized video has been created successfully. When you're ready to export, click the Share button, then go to the Download option. And select the file type MP4 file. Click the Download button to save your custom video to your device. You have now learned how to create and download a custom-sized video in Canva.